What's up, y'all? It's the Cleaning Business GOAT AJ Simmons back again with another great video. And I know y'all miss me like I miss y'all. I ain't had a video up in a while. And I said, you know what? I'm going to come back with a good one this time for y'all. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to do a reaction video to somebody in the Clean Biz Network. My man was doing cold calls and I hit the play button. I heard a little bit of something. I said, no, I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to go ahead and just react to this video and I'm put some content out there so that way everybody can learn from it along with him, as well as everybody in the Clean Biz Network, and as long as you too as well here on YouTube, so or wherever you're watching that. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it and let's see what we got. All right, so I got the video pulled up here. I didn't realize the video was only like 2 minutes and some change to it. I thought we were gonna get a little bit more action in that, so he probably only got one call on this video. But either way, we're gonna have some fun with it still. So let me go ahead and click the play button and see what we got here.
Labdara Beata speaking.
Hi, you said Beata?
Yes,
Hey, Beata, the receptionist said that you handle meetings with vendors. Is that true?
that's true.
Well, this is a cold call, and if I can get 20 seconds, I can give you an overview.
I'll tell you what, one thing I'm noticing already is the lady that he's speaking with sounds like she has an accent as well, because clearly he does. And so I'm wondering if he's calling in the US, because if he's not, then my critique might actually make a difference. Maybe like some of the things I'm probably going to say might not necessarily apply to him, but I'm gonna keep going though.
You and you know it's for you guys or not.
Sure.
Hey, Beata?
Yes,
Hey, Beata, the receptionist said that you handle meetings with vendors. Is that true?
that's true.
Well,
Okay, so stop right there. So, all right, so he's skipping to the part. So when you first make a cold call, you typically, I always instruct people to just ask if they know who's in charge of hiring the cleaning company. And so he's past that part. So now he's speaking to the actual decision maker. So his opening line was, I was told by the receptionist that you are the one that handles hiring the vendors. Is that correct? I wouldn't say that. The lady already told you that that was correct. So I don't want to like waste nobody's time. They busy, they working, right? So, and it makes you, it doesn't really, you know what I mean? It's like, it's almost like you confronting them. So like, is that correct? And it's like, duh, okay, well, yeah, what you want? You know what I mean? So I'd rather just get exactly to what I want versus, asking them, are you just, confirming it when the person already told you that. So instead, what I probably would have just said, we went straight into my spiel. Hey, Deidre, it's AJ with CBN Cleaning. I was just calling to see if we can drop by maybe sometime this week or later this week to provide you with an updated quote for cleaning services. And I would have made it very clear that I'm trying to come by either later this week or early next week and get it done.
but this is a cold call, and if I can get 20 seconds, I can give you an overview, and you know it's for you guys or not.
I definitely wouldn't do that either. So I don't like that this is a cold call thing. If I ever said that, I'm sure I would get hung up on immediately. Nobody likes cold calls, right? So what I like to do is I like to make it more of a friendly interaction, and I'm doing my best to build a relationship with you, because even if, let's just say, we don't get the walkthrough, well, I still want to make sure I know your name. Eventually, you're going to know mine. You probably won't remember my name on this call, but over the year, I'm going to be calling you again throughout the year, at least 4 times a year. I'm going to keep calling these businesses. And after about 2 years of calling a business, they're going to know who you is. Shit, after about 2 times or 3 times, they're going to remember you. And it's going to turn from, no, I'm not interested, to, hey, Mr. Simmons, how you doing? Yes, you're calling again. No, yes, we're still happy. Thank you, though. And it's going to get more and more friendly. Now they're starting to know who you are. Then next thing you know, either A, they'll call you out the blue because you're going to be the first in mind because you're always checking on them, or B, when you do call for that 4th or 5th time, there's like, you know what, actually, we could use an updated quote for cleaning services. You can come through on Thursday. You know what I mean? So just little tips like that. But I definitely want to say that this is a cold call. And I know that he's probably just coming, using authenticity. And I'm a big fan of that, clearly. But I think the most authentic thing you can do versus just saying it's a cold call is just simply try to build a relationship with him. You know what I mean? Don't talk to him like a salesperson. Just talk to him like a person, a regular person, and you just trying to, you here to help them with the cleaning. Everybody need it. All right, I'm gonna put it back a little bit and hit play again.
I can give you an overview, and you know it's for you guys or not.
Sure.
I'm gonna go back a little bit further so y'all can hear it from where we were.
20 seconds, I can give you an overview, and you know it's for you. Yeah, 20 seconds.
That's true.
Well, this is a cold call, and if I can get 20 seconds, I can give you an overview, and you know it's for you guys or not.
And then 2 is like, if you can get 20 seconds, you taking up your 20 seconds right now. Like, just do it. You know what I mean? Just say what you want versus going through this whole, can I get permission to talk to you? You talking to me now. Just say what you want. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Thank you. By
Go
the way,
ahead.
my name is Wale, and the company name is Marble. Your name is? How do I spell your name?
Beata.
Oh,
Beata.
Beata. Awesome. It was a pleasure to meet you, Beata.
Same
And
here.
you guys do get your home cleaned regularly, right?
That's right.
Okay. And your current vendors, you've had them for at least a year?
Oh, for more than like 20 years.
Wow. Okay, that's surprising. But the interesting thing is that I speak with many clinics. All of them, almost all of them, have had their vendors for many years like that, decades, in fact.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Wait, maybe I'm mishearing it. Down he said clinics, but at first I thought he said home. Could be me. I'm gonna run it back a little bit.
That's surprising. But the interesting thing is that I speak with many clinics. All of them, right?
That's right.
Okay. And your current vendors, you've had them for at least a year? Oh,
Beata.
Beata. Awesome. It was a pleasure to meet you, Beata. And
Same here.
you guys do get your home cleaned regularly, right?
That's right.
Okay. And your current vendors, you've had them for at least a year?
Oh, for more than like 20 years.
Wow. Okay, that's surprising. But the interesting thing is that I speak with many clinics.
I see. Maybe he was talking to her for her personal standpoint, like 'cause maybe she got home cleaners, and he's saying, "Well, you get your home cleaned regularly, don't you?" And she's like, "Yes." And so now he's saying, "Well, with your clinic, you should be doing the same." Maybe it's something like that, but we'll see.
All of them, almost all of them, have had their vendors for many years like that, decades, in fact.
Mm-hmm.
Interestingly, though, they never really say my cleaners are good. They also don't say they're bad, but they tend to say the cleaning is inconsistent. That word specifically, that ring a bell for you guys?
Not really.
Wow.
Because
Wow.
we have contracted services.
Yes.
Our nursing home has contracted services.
Okay.
And everything. And anyway, now that we are under new management company, Universal Care,
Yes.
they manage all the new contracts. So
I did like that part though that he said he was saying, pointing out basically when he spoke to many clinics, one word that he heard that amongst all of them when it comes to their cleaners is the word inconsistency. And honestly, that is definitely true across the board. If you talk to a lot of businesses in general, if they got an issue with their cleaning company, is because of the inconsistency, inconsistent staff showing up regularly and when they're supposed to, inconsistent with wearing their uniforms every single time, inconsistent with the cleaning in general. So that part was great right there.
we don't. Yeah.
And to my surprise, she said that wasn't her pain point though. So, but anyway,
Which cleaning company do you use, if you don't mind me asking?
It's Compass.
Compass. Yes, I've heard of Compass. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
lastly, just it sounds like
good question also to note who they're currently using now, so that way we can know who the competition is. Should we circle around back to this lead in the future, and you can put that note inside of your CRM.
you are having good experiences with Compass. Do you get digital cleaning records from Compass, or only paper checklists and schedule?
Come again? Do we get what?
Yeah. Okay. So your cleaning records that it provides you, are they digitized, or is it just a paper schedule and a checklist?
You know what? I'm not sure because I'm not in charge of the department. I'm nursing and care. I'm the director of care and nursing.
Okay,
Yeah.
who would that other person be, if you don't mind me asking?
The maintenance manager, his name is Vladas.
Got it. So the initial receptionist sent him to the wrong person in the first place. So she's probably not even the one he should have been talking to. He probably should have been talking to the person that's head of the maintenance department. So that is good to know. So great question. And again, to Wale to dig a little bit deeper and get to the information that he needs.
Vladis.
Yeah.
Okay. Would he also be on the directory page if I reached back to
I can transfer you to Vladas and you can leave him a message.
That's what you should ask, right? So instead of asking if he's on the directory page, I would have just asked her, "Oh, great, can you transfer me to him?" Versus, "I'm gonna go do the work for myself." No, speed me up. Let's keep me right on the phone. Let's keep this energy going and just flip me over. Now, if she said no, I can't, then you can go ahead and look on the directory page for yourself. But again, that's wasted time asking her if he's on the page. She don't know. You know what I mean? She don't care. You know what I mean? So again, we're just lessons learned though.
That would be awesome. Just in case though, does he have an email? I can just send him an email.
Just ask him. Don't ask her. Don't, why are you asking her for his email when she's about to transfer you to him in the first place? And you probably can look him up on that directory you were talking about that may have his email or may not. But either way, when you're about to get transferred to him, so you can ask him. And then even if he doesn't pick up, you can leave him a voicemail. And then on his voicemail, his email maybe even be on there. You might can find it on the website. You got his name now. So again, let's just make sure that we're using our words effectively, because the time is limited on a cold call, and typically you don't have this much time to actually speak. So let's see what else we got. Only 2 seconds left.
And you as well, if you would like.
So it ended there, but great effort, obviously. So shout out to Wale, and thank you so much for letting me use this call as an example, and as cold call example. I'll try to do more of these if anybody is open to it. And hopefully, you know what I mean, I didn't beat you down too bad and you don't feel too bad about yourself. And I didn't mean to put you on blast, but I did want to make sure I answer this honestly and you know, people can learn from it. So, and then again, who am I? I mean, yeah, I own the lead generation service for about 7 years, but am I a cold calling expert? No, but I know enough about sales and I know how to close the deal. And most importantly, because sales is really just simply listening to what the customer wants, focusing on their pain points, and then offering them a solution for what that is, right? But in order to do that, you got to make sure that you're not wasting any time and using your words effectively, so we can, get to what they want and get to ultimately what we want, which is to close that deal. So hopefully this video was help y'all. If you need more help just like this, go to cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app, and see how we can help you with your cleaning business. All right. We got one-on-one programs. We got group coaching programs, just like the one that Wale's in right now. He's a member of Clean Biz Network. And if you want me to critique your cold calls and you want to review them just like this, send them in. I'll review it on here just like this, and try to do multiple calls so I can kind of listen to a few of them. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm out of here.